This is the Granbo GA10C. This thing does such a good job, as you're going to see in this video. It's made of stainless steel, and the interior tank is 304 stainless steel along with the basket. And some of the unique features is the basket's got little rubber feet on there to keep the vibration down. And this is a perfect little jewelry cleaning machine. It's big enough to where it'll fit some sunglasses when we need to clean up our beach finds. This thing works fantastic. So let's give it a test. This is called iSonic, perfect for jewelry and eyewear cleaning on an ultrasonic cleaner. I'll put links in the video description on getting this stuff, as well as this awesome Granbo ultrasonic cleaner. If you're not familiar with Granbo's ultrasonic cleaners are some of the best in the industry. Look in this video's description. I'll include some links to Granbo below, but you'll quickly see that they are one of the top ultrasonic cleaners. I got some hot water in there and the iSonic cleaner, but here I got some rings. Now look at these rings. They look in great shape, but underneath each one of these rings I'm gonna put in here, it's loaded with beach debris. Now, even though I've taken a toothbrush to these and got them as clean as I possibly can, they are filthy. I'll get you some close-ups with the microscope. But I'm just going to drop these in there. These two are incredibly filthy. I mean, you guys remember when I found this ring, this thing was nasty, and it is still full of debris on the inside. And same with this one, full of debris on the inside. Okay, now that I have the rings in here, I'm going to put the timer on 10 minutes and hit go. And look at that debris coming off of it. Immediately, you can see the sand literally falling out of those rings. That is crazy good power. Now, this is one of the smallest units Granbo make, and it is perfect for us who go out metal detecting and find beach jewelry or other items. I don't have parts to clean for motorcycles or cars or any of that stuff, so I don't need a bigger unit. This is almost perfect. But my goodness, guys, I don't know if you can see that in there, but there's so much sand coming out of the inside of those rings. And I showed you guys, those rings look clean, but when you saw the close-up videos, you could see how much encrusted sand is stuck in the little cracks and crevices of these rings. This ultrasonic cleaner really gets in there and really cleans up all the little tiny nooks and crannies. It runs at a 40 kilohertz rate. And guys, if you look, a little bit of steam coming off of there. I did use hot water and a couple of capfuls of the iSonic cleaner. I find the iSonic cleaner does a really good job on creating no streaks and making things so nice. And actually, it helps keep the machine clean. Granbo has been making ultrasonic cleaners for a long time. This is what they exclusively do. I'm gonna let it sit here and dry off. But I also got this chain. Now, I've cleaned this chain up a couple of times. I think I tested this at like 14K. Now, this is perfect for chains and bracelets and what have you. I'm just gonna drape this chain right over the top. Okay, I just repositioned the chain to make sure all of it's underwater. And look at the color of the water. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but there's little bits of debris coming out of that chain. That's pretty impressive. I just finished. You know, the chain even looks a little bit brighter. It does. And it really changed the color of the water. Look at all the debris. Now, most of that sand came from the rings, but I got one more thing I want to test. And I found this pendant. Now, I've cleaned this up, ran it underneath the sink. It's got some discoloration here. Some of it has wiped off. This is not real gold, by the way. It might be gold plated. It's a fake little pendant. And this chain that came with it has a lot of discoloration on it, but I don't see any areas that it's rusted or wore out. So we're just going to plop that in there as well. And this time I'm going to move the time over to 10 minutes. And I'm going to let it run for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to change the water and clean some more. Look at that. There's debris coming out of there. Look at the nastiness come out of that pendant. Look how much vibration is happening on that chain. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe you can see that a little bit better from this angle. My goodness, I can really see how much debris is coming out of that pendant right now. I don't know how well you guys can see this, but look how clean this 14 karat gold chain is now. It used to have some little bit of discoloration. It doesn't now. It is beautiful gold. Very, very nice. It just finished. Wow, look at the difference. Look how clean and shiny and bright this fake gold pendant is. What I thought was rust on there came right off. Look how beautiful that looks. Definitely be able to sell that, you know, just the way it is. You know, I won't sell it as gold, of course. It'll just be imitation jewelry. At least it give me 10 bucks at a yard sale, right? Look at this chain. It had ocean debris all up inside it. It had turned white in certain spots. Look at that. There's no rust or anything around this corner. All the ocean debris out of it's gone. And the white discoloration on the ends, it's all gone. This thing's beautiful. I just changed the water and I got the 4 rings again. I looked at them through the microscope, and believe it or not, there's still quite a bit of ocean corrosion and debris. They look like little white crystals stuck right behind the gems, and you can tell that there's sand and ocean debris. So we're going to put 2 more caps of the Ultrasonic Cleaner in there, perfect for your jewelry. And we're just going to drop these rings right back in here. And I'm going to set the timer for this time 30 minutes. And it didn't take long to see a few little pieces of sand coming right back off again. Look at that, you can see it building up over there. Well, it's almost been 30 minutes, and look on this second cleaning how much more sand and debris came out of those rings. Alright, let's take these rings out. It looks super clean right now. It definitely looks even better than last time. And what's amazing is, look at how much sand was still in those rings. It's really good for eyewear too, and glasses. And this is a loop that I use. It's covered in dust. I'm just gonna toss it in here and give it a good 3-minute bath. It's probably better to use a glass cleaning cloth than this. Look how clean that became. So I just found this car out in the sand the other day. No, that one works. That one works. The front wheels don't. You can see it's corroded in there. I'm just gonna get the wheels under here right now. I don't need an ultrasonic cleaning. What I just need is the car's wheels to work. Let's just give that a quick 5 minutes and see how the wheels work. Now, remember, I wasn't really trying to clean this car. I was just trying to get the wheels to work. Little rough still right there. You know, but the kids will be able to play with it again, and the wheels are no longer seized. You know, that's common for us beach hunters to find cars in the sand and the wheels don't work. The ultrasonic cleaner is cleaning up real well. This Granbo GA10 ultrasonic cleaner has worked out perfectly today. I'm so happy they sent it to me. And guys, if you're interested in getting one of these, all you need to do is look in this video's description. I'll include some links and any discount codes. If you like this video, please click like. If you'd like to see more, consider subscribing. Ring in this bell and receive all the notifications every time I release a new video. And please take a look at this video right here.